Hi, welcome back to another book review. So this one I was mentioning in another book review. This one came in the mail. Excuse me. This one came, I got it from, I believe, thriftbooks.com. I got the worst condition, so I only paid a couple dollars for it. So the other one that I have completely cut out. So here is the other one that I have. As you can see, I've torn the pages out. I love to do all the fussy cutting. So I couldn't really show this one because it's all cut up. So I ordered another one because I liked it so well. So I'm going to share that with you here today. Okay, so this is Fashions of a Decade, the 1950s by Patricia Baker. Here is the spine. Here is the back, and the ISBN number is 0-8160-2468-5. And let's get a measurement. It is 8.5 by 11. All right, so let's take a look at this gem. All right. Starts right off with Marilyn Monroe. So this is a 1991 book. Love it. This is, I loved it so much. Like I said, I've cut it up the other one, and I've made pockets out of these images. I've cut these out. Love these ladies. I've cut that out before. I've used these little snippets. This is a pink colored paper. Here's a purplish colored paper. Love that to fussy cut out. I think I've cut her out. I think I used this page in a glue book. I think my glue book, actually. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Those. You can cut that out and use it. Love these pink colored pages. I fussy cut that out already and used it. Isn't that neat? So there you go. Fashions of a Decade, the 1950s by Patricia Baker. I definitely recommend this book if you're wanting to do some ladies fussy cutting and retros type stuff. So definitely a great book. And check out thriftbooks.com. This is where I found most of them. All right, thanks. All right, bye-bye.